coming into this race, Luke Stuckey of Kearney. He has run a 1:51.01.
Monty!
Keion Grieve and Unattached out in front. He's the state champion in the 800 in high school in Missouri. He's a high school junior, heading to the New Balance Nationals in Boston in March.
Monty! 6.
Halfway through, the leader is Tanner Cooper of Nebraska-Kearney. Cooper rated number 9 for MIAA. He won this event at the Northwest Open when he ran a 1:53.36. Also won the mile, the Charlie Foster. That's Tanner Cooper.
Monty!
Here's the bell on the lap. It's Cooper, Eckhardt, and Stuckey. Tanner Cooper of Kearney and Eckhardt running unattached. Luke Stuckey of Kearney. Stuckey's a 10-time All-MIA performer, twice an NCAA Division II All-American.
Come on, T. You can hold it.
Here they come.
Nice.
Looks like Tanner Cooper at the line.